guys, it's Luke. Welcome back to New York. I'm in New York this week. Last week I was in Puerto Rico, and today I'm going to be answering a question that I got from one of you guys. So I'll do that in a second. Just as a quick reminder, if you enjoy the video, make sure to give it a like. And if you really enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe so that you can get more of them and so that YouTube will let you know when more come out. Okay, so the question today is from Svetlana. And Svetlana says, how can I use figure out? Figure out. Okay. Now, in the question, after the question, she says, I'm trying to understand. I'm trying to understand. Okay. Well, this is actually a great example to understand, figure out, trying to understand. But it depends on what Svetlana is doing to try to understand. If you're trying to understand, hoping that someone will just tell you, and then you understand, okay, great. If you're trying to understand by researching and thinking and doing something very actively, you could say that you're trying to figure it out. So in a way, you've kind of answered your question by asking the question, because that's how we use figure out. When we take some action to deeply think about something, or we take some steps to try to understand, we don't just wait for someone to tell us. We don't just hope that it comes into our ears. We really do some work. Now, this could be for problems. Maybe you have a problem at work. You might say, you know, we've been trying to figure this out for 3 weeks. I think it might be time to give up. We've been trying to figure this out for 3 weeks. It might be time to give up. What does that mean? We've been having meetings about it. We've been talking to people who know this subject, whatever it is about, talking to them, experts. We've been thinking about it. We've been having brainstorming sessions. Brainstorming sessions is when you try to get a bunch of ideas from everybody at the same time. So you're doing a lot of things. You can say you're trying to figure it out. Okay? Now, how is that different from to research something? How is that different from to solve something? Well, research is the process of looking for something, to find things on the internet, to read books. And it might be part of the process of figuring something out. Solve is a little different. Solve is more about an issue, a problem that's in front of us. And maybe we figure out how to fix the problem, or we make it go away. When we make it go away, we say, we solved it. So the last part is really, when do we use figure out? When should we actually use it? We might use it if we have a problem. We have a problem, we want to solve it, so we do some things, we think about it, we have some meetings, whatever it is, we figure it out. Okay, this could include a math problem. In high school, have a challenging problem. You think about it, do some research, then you solve it. Okay, you can say, I figured it out. Yes, I figured it out. Maybe. This is just something more general, something that we're curious about, something that we're interested in. We can use figure out for that too. So this one is very general, and it can be used for so many different things. I think it's a really useful phrase for talking about things we don't understand or things we're trying to solve. So, Svetlana, thank you for the question. Very good question. Guys, don't forget to leave your questions in the comments. Also, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like, and I will see you in the next one.